You know I'm a Kinesis kid, okay? They saved my career. They saved my wrist, and I'm not jumping over to some other punk-ass keyboard, okay? First off, I would just like to say a big thank you, obviously, to Kinesis keyboard for sending me such a beautiful thing. But right off the rip, they did. Oh, I just took the box right off of it. They did send me this right here, just on top, just on top of the box. They sent me a key. They sent me a mouse, and the guy literally in the email said, "Hey, by the way, I know you don't use a mouse, but here's a mouse." Look at that. It's a mouse. Look at the mouse. Wait, that's the box. We don't care about that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's pretty good. I'd give this a lick. It's highly lickable. Vertical mouse, boys. This mouse, look at this little mouse. It's a little mouse, and, you know, it feels good. Please wash before using. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. I could use this. I could get down on this bad boy. 3 fingers, vertical, all the good stuff. Even got like a little thing right here. And look at this. Look what the mouse has. Look, are you ready for what the mouse has? A little, where the hell is that? A little USB, just in case you need to be on the go. Okay? That's pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's pretty nice, okay? Again, I don't use a mouse, so I'm not really sure what the hell this thing is. But imagine if I called it USB, called it universal. Suck my butt. All right, let's get to the box that's in this box, okay? Okay, this box about to have a baby. Ugh. This box just had a baby. Okay? This box just had a baby. Oh, this ain't just any. This ain't any. Just any 360 Advantage, okay? This is something a little different. Okay, are you ready? I haven't seen it yet, but I did send some specifications here, okay? Hey, they didn't put my colors on it. What'd you send me? Hey, my colors aren't there. They didn't send me my colors. It was supposed to be all white. I wanted 100% white keyboard. You slut. Okay, that's disappointing, but okay, so that hurts a little bit, okay? I like, because I like that. I like that. I like this, okay? I like nothing on there. I don't even want to see it. But still, I'm just saying, if I don't got... I asked for some sweet switches, okay? So let's find out. Do I got that? You had one job. I just wanted the thing. All right, here we go. Here we go. Check the box, Prime. Don't tell me my business. All right. Does it have the switches? Free keyboard still complains, like any American adult. Okay. Let's put it down. Let's open this bad boy up. I'm a great millennial, okay? Okay, first off, oh, it's like light blue. Interesting. We got ourselves like a light blue. Okay, interesting. But now here's the real question. I wonder where my keyboard, my little, because I have like a little tool to eject these. I wonder if it came with one. I have a tool right now. What does it smell like? You know what it smells like. All right, let's make it happen. Let's see what's underneath this bad boy. Hey. Hey! Hold on, it didn't come out. I'm not very good. I'm not gonna lie to you, if it's just browns in there, I'm gonna be a little bit. Oh, it's not browns, boys. It's not browns. It ain't browns. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh why? Yes, it ain't red. It's not red. It ain't red. It's the pinks, boys. We got the pinks. Okay. We went with the pinks. It was either the box pinks or the navies or the jades. But as far as I could tell, did they send me the silent ones? Did I somehow get the silent ones? I wanted those loud as ass ones. I wanted the loud ass ones. Did I get silent ones? Did I get silent ones? I wanted ones to... I actually wanted to peel the paint off my wall. I wanted it so loud. I wanted it so loud. Pre-watched. It's not pre-watched. I wanted it so loud that it ripped it. That it ripped it clean off the walls. Silence is better. No, it's not. All right. Feels solid. Feels good. Now, hold on. Plugging it in. We're plugging in the new keyboard right now. Stream numbers plummeting. I know. People are just like, this ain't it. This is not even it at all. Switched, dude, are pinks heavy? They mostly feel like a horse's mouth. All right. Ayo! Ayo! All right. I'm going to turn up the volume. I'm going to turn off the AC. I'm going to turn up the volume, and we're going to listen to it, okay? It's off. Now I'm going to drop this gate, boys. We're going to drop some serious gate. Okay? We're going to drop some gate. Hey, so guess what? Kinesis keyboards, they're going to be back in stock. They're going to be fully back in stock. You can get your % off using my code Prime360. That's right, Prime360, 50% off. Right there, bit.ly, Prime360. That's back. They're back in stock starting tomorrow, I believe. So tomorrow, this is, it's kind of an ad, maybe? I'm not sure. Is this an ad? Probably. Lick it, kick it, lick it. Yeah. Yeah, that was good. That was real good. This is awesome. I'm going to use this keyboard for the next while. We're going to test it out, see how it feels. It feels really good. Feels very, I like this, like in some sense, I really like the sounds. I wish I had a bit more clack. I wanted more clack. This one is, it's all thunk, no clack. I wanted a bit more clack. You know what I mean? As far as heaviness goes, it feels really light. It definitely feels different. It looks different. Obviously, it looks different. I really liked the look of this one. I think this one was my favorite looking keyboard that I've had yet. But I think I'd like to try it in all white. I think that'd be fun. And so yeah, can you show it again? Yeah, look at that. So there we go. We got some box pinks in there. Anyways, I just wanted to stream the new keyboard. I just got it in the mail yesterday. Super excited about it. I'm going to use it all this week. I just got in the mail yesterday. Work called it. And the 360, you know, the 360 is back in stock. Because I get like 1,000 messages being like, it's never in stock. It's never in stock. It's never in stock. So it's back in stock. They told me this Thursday, starting tomorrow, they'll be back in stock. No problem. Prime 360 if you want it. They don't actually pay me any sort of monthly thing to do this. I've been using a Kinesis keyboard since my second son was born. So it's been a while. When I was 28, my son was born. I've almost been using a Kinesis keyboard for 10 years. And then they started sending me free keyboards 3 years ago. Maybe 4 years ago. Show it, please. We can show it one more time. Basically bribery. Very, very good. Look at that. Look at those nice little USB-Cs right there. They use USB-Cs, which is really the way to go. They have a Pro version that's ZMK and Bluetooth. I've never been a Bluetooth ZMK kind of guy. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I've never been that kind of person. It's just not for me. I don't know why, but I never like it because every ZMK keyboard I've ever used kind of like disconnects every now and then. You know, and it just is a little bit flaky. I've never had a good, well, even Bluetooth is flaky. It's flaky on pretty much every ZMK thing I've ever seen. I've just never had a great ZMK experience. So I've never loved it. Wireless is always finicky. I just never love it. So I just like the reliability of wired. You know what I mean? For a mouse, it seems okay to be more fault tolerant, right? Like if you're moving it and it just doesn't quite move as well, but it's still, you just keep on going. But when it comes to typing, you just get effed up. And so I like wireless mouse. Yeah, wireless keyboard. Nah. Why would I want to charge my keyboard? And this too, dude. This is just the worst thing. I end up having to have cords no matter what. If you have a wireless keyboard, you have to charge your keyboard anyways. So you still have to have the wires. You just have to hide the wires every day. It's like, why would I want to play the game of hide my wires? You know what I mean? Whereas with a mouse, if it has what's it called? If it just the little chargers last forever because I never touch my mouse. Anyways, so there you go. That's the new keyboard. I appreciate it, and it looks like most people would. I'm glad to see that most people would. It's very thockety thock. Absolutely love it. I'll do. Oh, the box is right there. The box is in the way. Look at that. Look at that. Boys, look at that. Look at that. It has keys on it. This time I actually have keys on it. I mean, I type in Dvorak, so does it really matter? Like, does it really matter? It doesn't really matter, right? It doesn't matter. So, we'll see. Anyways, hey, thank you for watching.